My name's Dante Flodoro. We're down here in the assembly space in the design building. We're doing a little demo, building a little patio down here. We have our base screeded out. We're setting up some string lines right now to make sure that our patio is square. You can come down here and actually get the hands-on experience rather than just hearing it from your professor. One of my favorite classes that I took a Construction Materials class. It was a great class because you have that in-person lecture where you're learning about various materials that you're going to be using out in the field. And then we were able to learn how to draw construction details, which is super important to know. And then we were also able to go out and do a project on campus where we made a little Goshen stone ramp in the Durfee Gardens on campus, which is really cool. It's a very great hands-on learning experience that a lot of people come to Stockbridge for. Not a lot of other universities offer it, and it's a special program and you can learn a lot of special things.